Welcome back to SynTech. Today we're diving into the exciting future of electric vehicles. From tech advancements to industry trends, here are 10 key insights you won't want to miss. We're talking about the cutting edge of battery tech, charging infrastructure that's actually keeping up with the demand, and the self-driving revolution that's closer than you think. We'll break down which companies are leading the charge and which ones are lagging behind. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore the future of mobility. All right, let's talk batteries, the heart of any EV. The real game changer is solid-state batteries. Imagine a battery that charges faster than your morning coffee, giving you hundreds of miles of range. Companies like QuantumScape and Solid Power are making strides. Solid-state batteries are safer, more compact, and lightweight. The future of battery tech is electrifying. Range anxiety. It's the elephant in the room when we talk about EVs. But here's the thing, it's becoming a thing of the past. Why? Because the charging infrastructure is catching up, and fast. Tesla's supercharger network has been leading the way, offering high-speed charging that can juice up your EV in minutes, not hours. But it's not just Tesla. Companies like Electrify America, ChargePoint, and EVgo are building out vast networks of chargers, and governments are incentivizing the expansion of charging infrastructure. We're talking about a future where finding a charger is as easy as finding a gas station today. And it gets even better. Faster charging speeds are becoming the norm, making long road trips more feasible. Okay, let's talk about the future of driving. And I'm not just talking about electric powertrains, I'm talking about cars that drive themselves. Tesla's autopilot system is probably the most well-known, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and even automated lane changes. But other manufacturers like GM, Ford, and Waymo are hot on Tesla's heels, developing their own self-driving systems. These advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, are already making driving safer and less stressful. Imagine a world where your daily commute is handled by your car, leaving you free to catch up on emails, read a book, or just relax. Electric vehicles often come with a higher price tag than gasoline cars, but governments are stepping up to make EVs more affordable. We're seeing tax credits and rebates aimed at making EVs more accessible. In the US, the federal government offers a tax credit of up to $7,500. States and local governments offer their own incentives. These incentives bridge the price gap, making EVs more attractive. Remember when EVs were just those small, quirky cars? Well, those days are long gone. The EV market has exploded with options from sleek sedans like the Tesla Model 3 and Porsche Taycan to spacious SUVs like the Tesla Model Y and Audi e-tron. There's an EV to fit your lifestyle. EVs are better for the environment on the road, but what about their production? Many manufacturers are making production sustainable, using recycled materials, reducing carbon footprints, and using renewable energy. Tesla aims to power its gigafactories with solar and wind, details like vegan leather interiors and sustainable battery materials. The goal is ethically produced, eco-friendly EVs. Let's be honest, performance matters. And for a long time, electric vehicles were seen as lacking in the horsepower department, but, those days are over. EVs are now synonymous with performance, leaving traditional gas guzzlers in the dust. We're talking about instant torque, lightning-fast acceleration, and a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. The Tesla Model S Plaid, for example, can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending 1.99 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars ever made. The performance of EVs is only going to get better as battery technology continues to improve. Imagine a world where your car is more than just a mode of transportation, it's an extension of your connected life. We're already seeing features like remote start, climate control, and vehicle tracking through smartphone apps. But the future holds even more exciting possibilities. Imagine your EV communicating with your smart home, automatically adjusting the thermostat and turning on the lights as you pull into the driveway. The integration of 5G connectivity will further enhance the capabilities of EVs, enabling faster data transfer speeds and unlocking new possibilities for entertainment, communication, and autonomous driving features. The EV revolution is no longer a fringe movement. It's a global phenomenon. The EV market is experiencing explosive growth, with sales skyrocketing and new players entering the market at an unprecedented rate. China is leading the charge, with the government heavily investing in EV infrastructure and offering generous incentives for EV purchases. European countries are also seeing a rapid shift towards EVs, driven by strict emissions regulations and a growing environmental consciousness. This global shift towards EVs is being driven by a confluence of factors, including concerns about climate change, advancements in battery technology, government incentives, and a growing awareness of the benefits of electric mobility. The future of EVs is bright, but it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is battery production. Sourcing raw materials ethically and sustainably is crucial, as is developing efficient recycling processes to minimize environmental impact. Another challenge is ensuring adequate charging infrastructure. While we've seen significant progress, we need a more robust and accessible charging network, especially in rural areas and along highway corridors, to alleviate range anxiety and support mass EV adoption. As more EVs hit the road, the electrical grid will need to adapt to handle the increased demand. Despite these challenges, the future of EVs remains incredibly promising. So, there you have it, 10 key insights into the exciting future of electric vehicles. From groundbreaking battery technology to the rise of autonomous driving, the EV revolution is well underway. What are your thoughts on the future of EVs? Are you excited about the possibilities, or do you have concerns about the challenges ahead? Let us know in the comments.